Need a quick, official-looking medical certificate or doctor's note? I found a tool that literally lets you generate one in seconds. No designing, no printing hassle. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use the site so you can get started right away. Let's jump in. This is the Medical Certificate Generator homepage. Here's how it works. You select a template, enter your details like name, date, age, gender, etc. Pick a style, even a handwritten look, and the tool builds a certificate for you. Scrolling further, you'll see options for different templates, including doctor's note versions. Also note, the site explicitly says the certificates are for entertainment, and creative purposes only, and not legal medical documents. Choose a template, for example, Certificate 1 or Doctor's Note. Fill in required fields: date, name, age, gender, reason for leave or condition, days off. For some templates, you can change handwriting color or style. Agree to the terms and conditions. You'll see a checkbox. Preview your certificate on the screen. If everything looks right, click Download. The version may have a watermark until you remove it by following their steps. Save or print the certificate. Use it for creative content, props, short films or videos, as stated on the site. Not for legal or official use. What makes this tool handy? Very fast. You can generate a certificate in under a minute. Customizable enough for personal, creative use. No heavy design skills needed, but it is not a valid medical legal document. The site emphasizes that users are responsible for any misuse. If you plan to use it for anything serious, work, insurance, you'll still need a legit doctor on note. So great for creative projects, fun use, props, just keep it above board. And that's the full beginner's guide to using Medical Certificate Generator. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tool walkthroughs, and drop a comment telling me what kind of template you'd like me to test next. Doctor's note, fitness certificate, whatever. Link in the description so you can go try it out yourself.